Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a cell command today learn a cell command in CATIA. Okay, today CATIA lecture 29 is discussed here, and CATIA all 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, today discuss here cell command is very important in use in CATIA, and cell command is also a editing command. Okay, at first open a CATIA software interface. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface and use a cell command. Okay, this is a cell command and use a this body, and this body is a good looking here, and cell command is editing command, and this body is a good looking. Okay, at first cell command is used, and first is default inside thickness 1 mm. 1 mm is also default setting, and default outside thickness 0 mm, and increase size and decrease thickness is increase and decrease also. Okay, face to remove, and other thickness is face to. Okay, at first this face is removed. Okay, this face is a select here and face to remove, and thickness is 1 mm. Okay, default value setting here. This is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and cell command is used a color is a this is a color. Okay, this is a color, and also size is a increase, and this outside thickness is also increase 1 by 1. Okay, this is a 0, and this is a okay, this is a thickness is a 2 mm, and also this is a thickness is 3 mm, thickness is 5 mm, and you can see here this is a thickness is 5 mm. Okay, and this is a outside is a okay, this is a outside is a 3 mm. Okay, this is okay, this is a correct. Outside is also increase, and this is a inside is also increase. This is a perfect body, and this body is color is change, and color is a okay, this is a this color, and this is a color is a pink is okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a color is a change, and this is a blue color. Okay, this is a perfect body. Okay, and this color is also change here, and this is a okay, this is a perfect body is perfect. Okay, and thickness is a 3 is, and this is a 2, and this is a 3 is correct. Okay, this is a good looking here. Okay, and cell command is very important, and this is a very important command. Okay, guys, next lecture is coming soon, and today's cell command is discussed here, and cell command is very important, and cell command is very important, and next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use thickness command discuss here. Guys, today discuss here CATIA lecture 40, and this point is discuss here thickness, and thickness command is very important for CATIA. Okay, at first open a CATIA software interface. This is our CATIA software interface, and at first draw a 3D model and then use a thickness. Okay, this is a rectangle drawing here, and exit, and this is a pad is a 20. Okay, and this point is a thickness point, and all command is active, and this point is a thickness. Okay, and first is a default thickness is 1 mm. 1 mm is already set here, and this is a default setting. Okay, and default thickness face is not selection, and other thickness is not selection. Okay, at first selection this face, and this thickness is a increase, this is a 10. Okay, and you can see here, okay, this is a increase the thickness. Okay, and okay, and this body is a color change, this is a blue, and blue is a, and okay, this face and this face is a color change, this is a pink. Okay, this is a thickness. Okay, and again use a thickness, this face is thickness increase, and select there, and this is a face, and other is face, this face is 10, and increase the value, this value is a 20. Okay, and this is a, and other face is a, this face is a already 20, select here, and this face is a, okay, this is a increase. Okay, and this face also thickness increase. Okay, this face is a already, and this is a increase, and this face is a, okay, this is a increase the size. Okay, guys, thickness is very easy command, 3D command, and you can see here thickness command is very easy, and you easily learn. Okay guys, CATIA lecture 41 is coming soon, and today thickness is complete here, and next lecture is coming soon. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use thread and tab command. Okay guys, thread and today discuss here thread and tab command, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, all CATIA, all 3D commands learn easily, and today discuss here thread command is very important, and thread command is, you can see here. Okay, at first open a CATIA software interface. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and this is a look is very nice, and all command is not active. This is a thread command is not active. At first draw a 3D model, and then this command is active because all command is 3D command. Okay, at first drawing a rectangle, drawing a rectangle. Okay, and then exit at pad is a 40. Okay, and this is a color is select color is a this. Okay, this is a colorful, and at first select any hole and then use a thread. Okay, this is a hole, and hole is a okay, and this is a size is a okay, this is a 25 and this is a 20. Okay. Okay, this is a perfect, and this command is a use a thread command. Okay, okay, click here, and thread tab definition is pop up, and geometrical definition is, you can see here, at first lateral face selection this is a lateral face. Okay, okay, and also limit face, this is a limit face, and you can see here drawing a, and this is a thread is a this, and this is a tab, and this thread. Okay, you can see here this is a tab is a, you can see here this is a tab and this is a thread. Okay, and this is size is a, dimension is depth, support depth up to plane. Okay, and dimension is increase the, and this is a okay, and also this is a okay, you notes, and this right thread. Okay, and this point is, you can see here this is preview is showing here, and this is a okay, okay, this is a tab is okay, this is tab is correct. Again draw a, and okay, and tab is thread. Okay, this is the first point and this is a second point. Okay, this is a okay. Okay guys, you can see here this is a thread and this is a thread first and second is, but this is active, this is a first thread, and diameter depth pitch is, you can see here, and this is a hole, and this is a thread second is diameter depth and pitch, but this is not so there, because this is a drawing, this body is drawing, this body is use a drawing and mention in all dimension, then you can see here perfectly showing there. Okay, but this 3D dimension 3D model is not you can see here, but this is a drawing, this a body is a drafting, this body is drafting, then thread is showing there. Okay, okay, this is a easily use and easily learn. I hope you will learn clearly. Okay, okay, okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Today thread and tab is clearly discuss here, explain all these points deeply and clearly, and next lecture is coming soon. Get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.